Okay, so you've definitely heard the name Substack, but what's the deal with it really?
If you've heard the buzz but don't quite get the hype, yeah, you're not alone.
At its core, it's just a way to share your ideas directly through email.
And here's the main thing. Think of it as a newsletter platform first.
What's really interesting, though, is what the platform doesn't have.
There's no algorithm to game and no pressure to be posting all the time.
It actually encourages a slower, more thoughtful way of sharing things. So your posts can be short, a little messy, and just sound like you. Okay, so who actually thrives in this kind of an environment? Well, here's probably the biggest misconception about the whole thing. It's really just for people who like to explain things or think out loud. You just need to have ideas and actually want to share them. That's it. And all of this points to a completely different set of values.
It swaps out all the noise and trends for depth and a real connection.
And for a lot of people, this different approach just feels like a huge relief. See, the goal isn't to be polished. The goal is simply to be real. Which, of course, brings us to the final and most important question for you. Does this way of sharing sound like a relief, or does it still feel overwhelming?